Hello. I saw this post once on Facebook on how you could, it was just a picture showing how you could do this. Focus. Focus, focus. Come on. Oh, this is taking a real long time to focus. The camcorder's not working, so I have to use my phone, and it doesn't want to focus. Alright, we'll see that. See how you get like the little things here to protect the cord from bending and ending up like this. This is really bad. The time it takes for this thing to focus is ridiculous. Alright, there we go. Like that. I even had to like try and fix this because the same thing happened. It was far worse. It's like the whole thing just all ripped up. I could probably take this off and show you. So yeah, this is the before of a really bad iCord disaster. And this can happen like, I mean, just in like a week of like having a new cord, this can happen, and it's so frustrating. So I saw the picture, I thought it was cool, and then I clicked on it to see how it was done because it had a lot. See, that's horrible. Look at that. I took the tape off. That's just bad. So anyway, I saw the picture on how to you know, do this to protect it. Thought it was a cool idea, but it was just a picture. It didn't show how to get this on. Didn't show how to get this on. So I'm here to show you how to go from before to after. And it's really simple now that I figured it out. Take a pen, and of course you want to, you know, any pen that has like that kind of feature, and make sure, obviously, that's not a good pen. You know what I mean? See this one? This one's a good pen, so you don't want to use that. So I took this pen, which was, you know, ran out of ink, or at least it wasn't working, and I unscrewed it. Oh, come on. I unscrewed it and took the spring out. Here's the spring. Now my thing was, the thing I didn't like about the picture was it didn't show how to go from here to putting this on there. So this is what this video is for. It's going to show you how to do that. So basically, we're going to do it on this end because it only had it on this end in the picture, but both ends need protecting. So I'm putting it on both end lines. And this is how I figured out how to do it. You take your spring, and right here, as close as you can get near the top of one of these grooves, if it focuses again, there we go, near one of those grooves, and just slide it right on, like this. So you push it from the back. Did you see that? Let me try it again. You take this, right up against the cord. Oops. Put it right up against the cord. Doesn't matter if it's not right at the top. I can show you how to fix that. But right up against the cord, and then just push it on. Literally just push it on. Like you can take your finger and brace and push on, but you just push it on. You see how it's like that? And then this is what you do. You take it, because these things kind of like spiral, and you just hold this end still so it doesn't move, and the thing focuses. Yeah, and you just wrap it around. Just wrap it. See? This is really bad. There we go. And just wrap it around. And just keep wrapping, and keep wrapping, and keep wrapping, and keep wrapping. You might have to use like your fingertips, but if you keep wrapping, it will get on there. See? And then you just come back up here to this one and do the same thing. Just wrap it. Push this down if you have to. Pull that down and just wrap it on until you get the whole thing wrapped on. I mean, you don't have to get it all wrapped on, but I'm kind of OCD that way. I want the whole thing wrapped on there. And just wrap it on. And there you go. Wait. Oops, wrong way. Oops, out of camera, sorry. So focused on getting the thing wrapped on, I wasn't paying attention. It was out of shot. And there. See? Not focus. Eye cord protection. There you go. There you go. Eye cord protection on both ends. No more bending and breaking, hopefully. There you go. Bye.